After 40, something quietly begins to change inside your body. There is no sudden warning, no dramatic moment, just small signals. Your waistline grows a little faster. Your energy drops after meals. You feel sleepy in the afternoon. Cravings become harder to control. And you start asking yourself, why does my body react like this now? In many cases, the answer is insulin sensitivity. Insulin is not bad. It is essential. It moves sugar from your blood into your cells for energy. But when your body becomes less sensitive to insulin, the system struggles. Your pancreas produces more. Insulin stays elevated longer. And when insulin stays high, fat burning slows down, especially belly fat. This is why dieting feels harder after 40. You reduce calories, you exercise, but results are slower. Because the real issue is not effort, it is metabolic signaling. The good news? Insulin resistance is not permanent. It responds to daily habits. Small changes create powerful improvements. Step 1. Reduce refined carbohydrates. Not eliminate all carbs, not extreme dieting, just remove the biggest spikes. Sugary drinks, white bread, processed snacks. These create rapid blood sugar rises. Rapid blood sugar means rapid insulin spikes. Frequent spikes reduce sensitivity over time. Instead, choose whole foods, vegetables, fiber-rich carbohydrates, balanced meals. Fiber slows digestion. Slower digestion means smoother blood sugar control. And smoother control means better insulin response. Now here's something simple, but powerful. Walk after meals, 10 to 15 minutes. Nothing intense, just steady movement. When muscles move, they use glucose directly. This lowers blood sugar naturally. Small habit, massive metabolic benefit. Now let's talk about muscle. After 40, muscle mass declines if you do not train it. And this matters more than most people realize. Muscle is your largest glucose storage system. More muscle means better glucose control. Better glucose control means improved insulin sensitivity. Strength train 3 times per week. You do not need extreme workouts. Focus on compound movements, squats, push movements, pull movements. Consistency matters more than intensity. Muscle sends a powerful signal to your body. Use this energy. Do not store it. Now let's discuss sleep. Poor sleep reduces insulin sensitivity the next day. Even one bad night affects glucose control. When sleep is short, cortisol rises. Cortisol interferes with insulin function. And when cortisol stays elevated, the body prefers storing energy, not burning it. Protect your sleep. 7 to 8 hours, dark room, cool temperature, no screens before bed. Sleep is metabolic repair time. Without it, systems weaken. Now think about stress. Chronic stress keeps your nervous system activated. Your body shifts into survival mode, and survival mode prioritizes storage, not fat burning. Slow breathing lowers cortisol. Short recovery breaks reduce stress spikes. Calm physiology improves insulin signaling. Now let's talk about protein. Protein stabilizes blood sugar. It slows digestion. It reduces sharp glucose spikes. And it supports muscle repair. Many men over 40 underconsume protein. Balanced meals reduce cravings, and fewer cravings mean less snacking. Every time you eat, insulin rises. If insulin never falls, fat burning never fully activates. This is why small fasting windows help. Not extreme fasting, just spacing meals. Allow 3 to 4 hours between meals. Let insulin return to baseline. These low insulin periods train metabolic flexibility. Over time, your body becomes efficient again. It burns carbohydrates when needed. It burns fat when resting, even during sleep. After 40, you do not need extreme diets. You need intelligent strategy. Improve insulin sensitivity, and everything becomes easier. Energy stabilizes, cravings decrease, belly fat becomes manageable. Your metabolism is not broken, it is waiting for better instructions. Strength training, walking, sleep, stress control, protein, meal spacing, none extreme, all powerful. Start with one habit today, then build from there. Small daily actions, repeated consistently, create powerful long-term change. Stay consistent, and your body will respond. If this video helped you understand your body better, subscribe to the channel now. Turn on notifications so you never miss practical health strategies for men over 40. Stay consistent, and your body will respond.